If you pay for Adobe Photoshop after watching this video, that is a personal choice, because in the next 60 seconds, I will show you how to get Adobe Photoshop completely free for 12 full months, with no credit card, using an official Google promotion that most people still don't know exists. And yes, this works worldwide. I test free software systems, AI tools, and hidden tech offers every single day. Most of them are useless. This one is real, and it expires in 1 day. This is not a cracked version, this is not a trial, and this is not a student loophole. This is an official Google-backed offer. Here is exactly how to claim it correctly. First, open Google and search for Google Chrome Web Store. Click only the official website. Once you are inside the web store, look for Photoshop on the homepage. If you do not see it, use the search bar and type Photoshop. Click the official Adobe Photoshop extension. Now, scroll down. You should see a message that clearly says, "Get 12 months of free access to Photoshop Web." Right under that, you will see the expiration date, December 8th, 2025. After this date, the method is gone. Now click Add to Chrome. If you are using Brave like I am, click Add to Brave instead. The file is about 45 megabytes, so give it a few seconds to install fully. Once the installation is complete, pin the extension so you can access it instantly. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click Get Free Offer. On the next screen, you will clearly see Get 1 free year of access to Photoshop Web. Now click Start Now. Enter your Adobe account email. If you do not already have an account, you can create one in under a minute using any email. No payment, no credit card, no verification trap. Once you log in, your access activates immediately. And just like that, you now have 12 full months of free access to Adobe Photoshop on the web. No trial, no billing countdown, no hidden charge. Now, here is the bonus most people completely miss. You also receive 30 free generative AI credits. At first, it may show 20, but within a few minutes, it automatically updates to 30. Your reset date will show as December 2025. This means you can generate images, edit photos, use AI fill, and enhance visuals completely free. From here, you can drag and drop your images and start editing immediately at zero cost. Is this identical to the desktop version? No. Is it powerful enough for thumbnails, social posts, digital products, business visuals, and online branding? Absolutely. Free always beats paid. I have placed the direct free access link in the description while this offer is still active. If it is still there when you check, that means you are early. This channel is where I break down free tools, hidden systems, and real ways to make money online without guesswork. If that is the side of the internet you want to be on, subscribe now.